Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, parang ano pa rin tayo, pleasing ang mga request, no? Sinasagot pa rin natin ang mga request. So for today, sa kusina ni Mrs. O, ginagrant pa rin natin yung mga request tungkol sa salad dressing. Diba? So I think, napanood yun na yung Thai chicken with peanut dressing. So meron na tayong alam na isang salad dressing or may naturo na tayo, which is the peanut dressing. Ngayon naman, ang tuturo ko is a shortcut for Caesar dressing naman. So, again, pwede natin ilagay sa maganda na jar, lagyan ng magandang ribbon, pwedeng pang Christmas. For this, of course, thank you also, again, to Artisan Emporium for our gourmet tuyo, which gagawin natin para sa salad dressing. No? Instead of anchovies, I'll be using tuyo. And then red wine vinegar, Levli and Perrin. When I say nga hindi traditional, kasi ang traditional Caesar salad dressing, they use egg yolks. No? But I will be using mayonnaise to make it more stable. Ibig sabihin, it can last longer in the refrigerator. Parmesan cheese, and then some oil. I'm just gonna use canola oil. And then later on, just top it with some salad. So the first thing that we're gonna do is the salad dressing. And then the most important is garlic. So let's go. So, lalagyan ko na muna siya ng tuyo. Save pa natin to kasi yung tuyo, we can also make this into pasta. So, medyo salty yan. And then, just probably like a tablespoon and a half. And then, just gonna put Lea and Perrins for color. Tablespoon and a half. This is about 1/4 cup red wine vinegar. You can use cider vinegar or distilled, except mas maasim siya. If you will be using a cider vinegar, I suggest you add a little bit of sugar para lang to cover up dun sa sourness level. So what I'm using is red wine vinegar, no? Actually, in fact, binili ko pa to like 6 months ago. Ngayon, ang hirap niya hanapin sa grocery. Hindi ko alam. I think it's out of stock or probably parating pa lang yung pang Christmas stock or nasa baskets na. Hindi ko alam. But for some reason, nahirapan ako. So buti na lang I had some leftovers pa. Then, I'm just gonna put this mayonnaise to replace our egg. And then, some cheese. 2. Yan. We're just gonna mix it all up. So, while that's mixing up, I will be getting our oil, just canola oil. So, we would like to emulsify, no? So, I'm just gonna put this. Start first with 1 cup. Okay. Open the top. If you can put the camera, nakikita mo pa yung bottom. Diba nakikita mo pa yung blades. Katulad ng tinuro ko sa peanut dressing, gusto nating palitin yung hole. Yeah. And nakita nyo, nag-change yung sound. Kasi nga, it's starting to emulsify. It's not as liquid. It's starting to thicken. Yan o, maliit na. Diba? Pero, you can see that the color is a little bit still reddish, brownish. So, we would want to lighten that. So hindi na siya gumagalo. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. And I'm gonna add some pepper. Let's see with the saltiness level. Hindi ako naglagay ng salt kasi nga ang dami nating tuyo linagay, di ba? And Parmesan cheese. Very Caesar. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. One of the reasons why I'm adding a little bit of water, para madali ilagay sa container. There you go. So, ngayon, pwede na siyang pang Christmas gift. Alam ko, sigurado ako may magte-text na naman sa akin kung pwede ito na yung Christmas gift ko. May nagsabi sa akin, oh, kulang pa. Sobrang laking bote ko. But, in our house, we actually keep our salad dressings sa ganyang bottles. I hardly buy salad dressings. I still have bottled ones, but pretty much have a lot of jars here na may salad dressing. Meron kaming peanut dressing, vinaigrette, tapos meron kaming balsamico with tomatoes. So, we have that here at home. So, ngayon, ready for ref to. But, if I were to give it as a gift, kailangan ko siyang punuin. So, now, we're ready to assemble our salad. So, here, This is actually kale. Di ba sinasabi ko yung malunggay sa superfood na puro full of antioxidants and all of these minerals? Kale is of the same category. So, sinasabi nila marami siyang anti-cancer agents and all of those things. I'm just gonna put this. So, maganda na yung texture niya. Hindi ko na kailangan dagdagan ng Parmesan cheese. Ilalagay ko lang siguro siya as a topping. So, we're assembling it as a salad. And then, cut ko lang. Kaya, if you notice, hindi na ako naglagay ng asin sa ating salad dressing kasi lalagyan pa natin siya ng tuyo. And even the salad dressing itself, puno ng tuyo. Traditional Caesar salad dressing has croutons, diba? But, why am I not adding croutons? Because we're trying to stay away from so much bread. Okay? You can use this Parmesan cheese or this Parmesan cheese. But, kakainin ko siya for dinner. Kaya, I will use this Parmesan cheese. And I love cheese, so... I'm so excited. This is my dinner. Okay. So, here you go. Our simple homemade Caesar salad dressing. Hindi authentic. Parati ako nag-disclaimer. So, but this is our homemade Caesar salad dressing using artisan Emporium gourmet toyo with kale. I'm gonna eat na my dinner. Bye!